So the UAE to me means lifestyle, it means innovation, it means safety, and it means opportunity.
A blend of all the cultures here.
Peace.
Study and fun, because you gotta make a career as well.
Home, love, and safety.
Unity in diversity.
New life, new opportunities, new life.
To me, it's my second home. I got married here, met my wife here, have my kids here.
It means land of dreams. Yeah, a place of personal growth.
It's a land of peace and vision.
It means to me is strength, prosperity, togetherness, love, passion.
I left my home in Pakistan, and being in UAE, nothing is more safer than being here. UAE accommodates everyone.
This is my second home.
Being here in UAE is, I got a chance for everyone, even for me and for my family. Once we arrive here, we feel we are here and at our home, feel safely. I feel the safety and it's a land of opportunity for me and for my kids. Even I feel happy here when I just moving with a lot of nationalities from all over the world. So I just appreciate that I'm working here in UAE. Also, I appreciate to be part of DMU. So, and happy National Day for everyone, and happy National Day for UAE.
Love, support, and strength.
Means home. Having born and raised here, there's no other country I relate to as much.
It means a place where all the communities come in together and live in peace.
UAE is our second home.
UAE is filled with love and culture.
It's my second home.
It's a very welcoming country with lots of fun things to do.
It's a safe place to live. It gives us an opportunity to get successful.
Happiness and growth.
It's my home.
Hey, consistent.
And trusting the love.
It's my second home.
It's joy and prosperity for everyone in the world.
Land of opportunities.
The land of dreams.
A hub for success.
A land full of opportunities and growth.
For me, UAE means the saga of great leaders.
It's a place to have fun and enjoy life.
For me, it's a land of hopes.
A place to make memories.
The UAE is peace and prosperity.
Hi, UAE is my home. It's also the place for growth. It's a place where architecture and interior design is booming, and I believe it's the right place to be.
I feel home, I feel settled, I really enjoy living here.
Rich culture, rich diversity, a place to learn and grow.
I think UAE is a hub for fashion and modernity, and now you can see so many international brands. It's in a wider range and allocation here. So I think here it's a very diversity for the culture.
UAE is one of the greatest platform for research and innovation. And I'm doing lots of research on those innovative kind of ideas and case studies. So I love UAE.
For me, UAE means a hope to thousands and millions of expats.